Hello everyone, welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. In this lesson, we will explore a powerful time-saving feature, Autofill. This tool helps you to quickly copy data, complete sequences, and format text automatically. Let's get started. Autofill is what we want to check today. Okay, so I have filled number 1, number 2. It's going to be tedious for me to now keep writing number 3, number 4 like that. So this is where autofill comes in. What do I do? Bring your cursor to this edge. Can you see this place showing a small cross sign? All right, so you use your left hand to hold down your mouse, use your right hand to drag down. Okay, so I'm going to drag down. I'm watching the number. Okay, let me drag down to this 121 here. Can you see it's showing only 3? Now look at this one here, this autofill option. Now click on this drop down arrow and click on fill series. So the one we did before was copy cells. Now we want it to fill series, meaning we want it to arrange the number for us. So you click on fill series. Can you see? So here we have all numbers from 1 to 120. Okay, so the same way I'm going to repeat the same process here again so you can see it better again. Here I'm going to type in January. I'm going to put February here. Let's see. Then I'm going to drag it down. Can you see? Let me just increase the width. Okay, can you see? Now another way to go about it, you see where my cursor is on this edge here, showing that small plus sign. You can double click on it and it will autofill. Can you see? That's another way to do it again. That's another way to do it again. You can just double click on it. When you have your cursor on this edge, you just double click on it and then you have your. Now let's see, let me try it with another thing again. Here I'm going to put in A, B. Okay, so I want it to continue this sequence for me. Now we are not going to use that drag down, we are going to use the double clicking style. So I'm just going to double click on this one and see what it's going to give me. Can we see? It's giving me copy cells. So if I don't want copy cells, like I said earlier, you come to this place. Can you see this place? Click on that arrow. It's going to copy only cells because it is alphabet. All right, so that's how to autofill. So you don't need to stress yourself. The same thing, by the time we get to formula, we will use this autofill also to do formula. Let's say for instance, I want to, okay, let me put, instead of let me put 10 here, 10, and then let me put 10 here also. Now I want to autofill this 10. I want the whole of this column to be 10, and then the whole of this column I want it to be, let's say 55. This one should be 56. Now I'll autofill this one too. This time I want to fill series. I want to fill series this time. Okay, all right. Now let's say I want to apply formula. I want to say equals or I want this one multiplied by D2 multiplied by E2, and then I hit on enter. Now it has calculated the product of this for me. So I will just either I drag or I double click and it's going to do the rest. So that's how to autofill. That's all we are going to be doing today. See you again in class in the next video.